Hi, I'm Ed Daly. I'm a certified public accountant. I wanted to talk to you all today about a key component of the My Equity Blueprint plan, which is adjusting your federal withholding levels to the proper amount. This way you can have the money and put it to use the way you want it to do each month instead of giving the government an interest-free loan. To adjust your withholding, we use Form W-4. We're going to go through that form now. We'll go through the steps on Form W-4 to adjust your withholding. You can receive this form from your company, your employer's payroll department, or you can go to irs.gov and download the form. So on line A, you'd enter 1 for yourself. Working down to line B, you'd enter 1 if you're single and only have 1 job. If you're married and only have 1 job and your spouse doesn't work. Going down to line C, if you have a spouse, you can enter 1, or you can read the directions, enter 0, more tax will be withheld. Enter the number of dependents on line D. It could be a child or an adult that you're caring for, that you pay 50% or more of their support. Line E is head of household. We're not going to address that because it doesn't really apply in a lot of cases. Line F, enter the number of children that you have child care expenses for. This will be a child that goes to daycare. If you spend $1,900 or more, enter the number of children that go to daycare there. And then on line G, enter the number of children that you expect to claim the child tax credit. Basically, a child tax credit is available for children that are 16 and under. So on line G, enter the number of children there. Line H is just going to be a sum of all the above lines, and then you enter that total from line H onto line 5, and that's going to be your new number of allowances that you're going to apply to your withholdings. If you have a more complex situation, you can do the worksheet on the back of Form W-4. If you have multiple earnings, multiple jobs, you can use that sheet. But for about 80% of the population, the front page of the W-4 will adjust the withholdings properly. Now that we have your federal withholding adjusted, I want to remind you all not to forget to adjust your state withholding. Check with your CPA to find the correct form to file to adjust your state withholdings. And remember, don't give the government an interest-free loan. It's your money, you earned it, put it to work the way you want it to.